Have you found a missing item and you have no idea, you have no information about who owned that item, but you wish to return that item to its rightful owner? If you are in this situation, then this video is for you. SammyBot was created to help you solve this kind of problems. So, you have found a missing item, you want to return it, you have no information about the owner, you have no idea how to return it to the owner. What do? Open WhatsApp and send "I" to SammyBot on WhatsApp. And then SammyBot will respond with these options. It says, send 100 to check the information of an item. So, for you to know if the item you found has been listed by someone before, that is, if someone has claimed ownership of that item before, you just send 100. And SammyBot will reply by saying, what are the last 6 digits of the item's IMEI, serial number, or vehicle identification number? So if it's a smartphone, try to check for the IMEI of that phone or the serial number of that phone. If it's any other electronic or gadget, you can, maybe a laptop, try to look for the serial number of that item. And if it's a vehicle, try to look for the vehicle identification number, that is VIN. So once you have that, input the last 6 digits of that item, and SammyBot will automatically show you the information of the owner if the item has been listed. If the item has not been listed, then you have a second option. The second option is to send 400 to broadcast a lost and found item. So let us send 400, since we have tried to search for the information of the item, but it has not been listed yet by the owner. So now we have to broadcast it to everyone so that the owner can come forward with their proof of ownership to claim the item. So we send 400, and here are the instructions. It says, use this option to report any item that you found missing and you wish to return it to its rightful owner. Follow these steps. So step 1 says, visit the link listings.sammybot.com.ng. Then 2, read the warning and privacy policy first. Always remember to read the warning and privacy. We did that while I was showing you how to report or how to list an item, that is how to claim ownership of an item. Then 3 says, input lost and found as owner's name. So I'm going to show you the practical aspect from here. So we open the link, and if you click on this warning, you can see it says input lost and found as the owner name if the item you are about to list was found as missing item. Do not attempt to list or claim ownership of an item that does not belong to you, as it is a crime and you'll be prosecuted if found guilty. So you know that item does not belong to you, but you found it and you wish to return it. So in the owner's name, instead of putting your full name, just put lost and found. But you have to input your email in other fields and your personal information. This is to tell SammyBot that this is the person that reported it. You are not claiming ownership. You are just submitting it and telling SammyBot that this is the information of the person that helped us to get this item, and the person listed it as lost and found. So provide your other information, provide your NIN, provide the name of the item, select the category of the item that you have found. If the category is not listed, if you go down, you see other item. Then item IMEI, input the IMEI of the item. And if it's a smartphone, you input, if you can find the 2 IMEI, you can input both. So if you have the pictures, and definitely you must have it, because you are trying to report an item that you found somewhere. So a picture, a video will be needed, definitely. So attach the picture of the item you have found. Remember, this is a sample video, so I'm just attaching anything. So in this description field, you can just you can express yourself. I found this phone at an event at so location. You understand? You went to an event, you found the phone in a hall. Explain everything that you know in this description field. And then item status, you can say misplaced, because you didn't steal the item, you just found it. So let's say it was misplaced, because if an item was stolen, you wouldn't find it. To be with someone, you understand? You wouldn't find the item just lying fallow somewhere. You will definitely the item will definitely be with the thief. So you have to select misplaced, then you say list item for safety. IMEI2, I think this will be fixed later. IMEI2 is supposed to be optional. So you list the item, wait for it to submit. So it has been submitted. Check your email for the listing ID. So you are not the owner of the item, but a listing ID will be sent to you. And as the listing gets updated, you'll be getting your update as well. So if the owner comes forward and they say they are the owner, SammyBot will update the listing and you will get updates in your email. So you'll be able to follow up with the listing that you made. And by the time the item is being returned to the rightful owner, you'll be contacted because the item is with you. So that is how you can report an item, a missing item, if it does not belong to you. So I hope this video has been helpful. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.